Be sure to clean up the popcorn you eat, okay? Oh my goodness. Gaia, I want to go see Peace. Oh, how very... Ow! No nails. Here. Why can't you be like your brother? He's so sleepy. He's so sleepy under the window. You have 2 perches right there to sleep on. You don't want to? I don't know where it went. You lost it. No, don't get the cord for the phone. Yes. It's time to go see Peace. No, it's not delicious. No. No. No, don't get the cord. That's the phone cord. No. Aya. Ow. Don't use your nails on me. You need to learn how to not use your nails. I gotta find the nail trimmers. You don't know how to not use your nails. Okay, you gonna go CP now? I guess not. Yeah, she's not sleepy. Gaia. She's not sleepy. She's wild child. You're lucky you're cute. Yeah, you. What was that? That's your own tail. That's my foot. It was always there. All right, you need to go.